Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome embodies the perfect fusion of long-distance travel, luxurious style, and German engineering. This luxury RV was created for people who enjoy the freedom of the open road without sacrificing comfort. It boasts a multi-wheel base for stability and control, a powerful engine, and fashionable living quarters. Featured engine with outstanding performance. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is powered by a high-performance diesel or hybrid engine, depending on the type. This engine's ability to produce powerful torque and a smooth power distribution makes it ideal for both easy highway riding and mountain climbs. Even on lengthy excursions, the sophisticated transmission system guarantees a smooth operation and economical fuel use. Individual bedroom, a full-size or queen-size bed with high-end bedding, nightstands, LED reading lights, and built-in storage are features of a deluxe bedroom. No matter where you park, climate control and noise insulation can help you create a tranquil haven. Contemporary bathroom. The RV has a modern, fully functional bathroom. It features a flush toilet, a walk-in shower, a ventilation system, a mirror cabinet, and a contemporary sink. An incredibly efficient onboard boiler provides hot water, ensuring comfort even in the most isolated areas. Multi-wheel rolling system. Usually constructed on a strong multi-axle chassis, the RV offers outstanding balance, road grip, and load capacity. The motorhome typically has 6 to 8 wheels. Because of its design, this car is perfect for cross-country travel, long-distance driving, and negotiating challenging terrain. Wide panoramic windows with automatic shades, a touchscreen control panel, leather chairs, a foldable dinette, a high-end music system, and a flat-screen TV are all features of the luxurious living room. A kitchen that is completely furnished with a microwave, a refrigerator and freezer, an oven and induction burner, a stainless steel sink, and shelves for utensils and dry items. The following are some instances of innovative safety and technology features: a 360-degree video system, parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, Bluetooth connectivity, and a digital cockpit with GPS navigation and connectivity features. For those seeking a nomadic lifestyle that satisfies their demands for performance and sophistication, Mercedes-Benz Motorhome 2026 is the ideal vehicle. Whether you are driving across the European countryside or from coast to coast, every trip is elevated to the level of a first-class experience when you are in this vehicle.